In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Columbia website to check your order details efficiently. This is an incredibly useful skill, especially if you're a regular shopper or just curious about the status of your Columbia purchases. So let's dive in and make this as smooth and straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable using. It's crucial that your browser is up to date to ensure the website loads quickly and efficiently. Once your browser is open, you'll need to visit the Columbia website. Simply type in do.columbia.com into the address bar and hit enter. The website should appear almost instantly, displaying a range of products and offers. Now that you're on the Columbia homepage, your next step is to sign into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you should see a sign in button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Enter your email address and password associated with your Columbia account. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password. There's usually an option to reset it easily via your email. Once you've successfully signed in, your next move is straightforward. You'll notice either your account name or an icon in the top right corner of the page where you just signed in. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for an option that says My Account and select it. This will take you to your dedicated account page where you can manage various aspects of your Columbia journey. Now, focusing on our objective of checking your order details, the next step is to navigate to the order section. On your account page, you should see somewhere labeled Order History or My Orders. Give that a click and you'll be redirected to a page listing all your current and past orders. This section is your go-to hub for understanding what you've purchased, when it was ordered, and other relevant details. Finally, you can delve into the specifics of each order. If you're interested in checking the status, delivery dates, or just want to reminisce about a past purchase, this is the place to do so. Each order in the list can be clicked on for more detailed information, potentially including tracking numbers and expected arrival dates. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily navigate Columbia's website to view your order history and details seamlessly. This approach should help you stay updated with your orders and ensure you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Thank you for tuning in, and happy shopping!